Imagine waking up every morning to sweeping views of a championship golf course inside a villa so beautifully furnished it feels like a dream. Stay tuned because today we are walking through one of the most stunning 5-bedroom homes in Dubai, and by the end, I'll also share 2 more incredible projects you wouldn't want to miss. Welcome back to the channel. If you love luxury homes, today is a real treat. We are starting with this fabulously furnished 5-bedroom villa in Damac Hills, built on a 7,020 square feet plot with a 5,500 square feet built up area. It is spacious, elegant, and overlooks the Trump International Golf Club. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed to balance grandeur with comfort. These villas are completely sold out directly from Damac, but there are resale options available in both Damac Hills and Damac Hills 2 for buyers looking to secure a home in this prestigious golf community. For international investors, any property investment of 2 million dirham or more qualifies you for the UAE Golden Visa, opening doors not just to a luxury home but to long-term residency benefits. Now, let's move from this golf side lifestyle to a brand new master development that's been making headlines, the Damac Riverside project. Damac Riverside offers a wide range of homes with pricing to suit different lifestyles. We have 1-bedroom apartments starting from 993,000 dirham. That's about 2.38 crore Indian rupees or 270,000 US dollars. We have 2-bedroom apartments starting from 1.9 million dirham or roughly 4.55 crore Indian rupees, approximately 517,000 US dollars, and villas starting from 2.3 million dirham, which is around 5.52 crore Indian rupees or 627,000 US dollars. The magic of Riverside lies in its design. The community is split into 2 zones, the Green Vein with hydroponic farms, Zen spas, family-friendly gardens, and the Water Vein where you'll find the floating cinemas, aquatic fitness, essential oil lakes, and even floating restaurants. It's not just homes, it's a full lifestyle ecosystem. Add in the connectivity of Dubai Investment Park close to the Al Maktoum International Airport and Expo City, Riverside becomes a compelling mix of affordability, convenience, and innovation. From Riverside, we head to the heart of Dubai Maritime City, where Damac has brought together luxury real estate and world-class sports culture with the Chelsea Residences. This is the world's first Chelsea-branded residences, and it is redefining waterfront living. We have 1-bedroom apartments here priced at 2.17 million dirham and 2.62 million dirham. That's around 5.2 to 6.28 crore Indian rupees or 590 to 713,000 US dollars. We have 2-bedroom apartments in the range of 3.14 million dirham to 5.49 million dirham, roughly 7.5 crore to 13.17 crore Indian rupees or approximately 856,000 US dollars to 1.49 million US dollars. We have 3-bedroom residences that go up for 4.94 million dirham to 7.03 million dirham, approximately 11.85 crore Indian rupees to 16.85 crore Indian rupees or 1.34 to a 1.91 million US dollars. Beyond the numbers, the amenities are truly unique. Picture a rooftop football pitch, a Chelsea sports bar, immersive simulation rooms, and curated experiences like dinners with Chelsea legends. On the wellness side, you'll find cryotherapy centers, aerial yoga, starlit spas, and infinity pools overlooking the Arabian Sea. With handover set for December 2029 and designed by the award-winning firm Gensler, Chelsea Residences is more than just a place to live, it's a branded lifestyle destination. So whether it's the golf course elegance of Damac Hills, the wellness and water-themed lifestyle of Riverside, or the globally branded Chelsea experience on the waterfront, Damac continues to shape some of Dubai's most exciting communities. If you are interested in any of Damac's project, please contact us on the numbers given below. And if you love this gorgeous villa, Don't forget to hit that like button. We also have an all exclusive WhatsApp group that shares Dubai properties. The link to join the group is in the description section. Tell us in the comments which other Dubai project you'd like us to cover next, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on more amazing Dubai homes and investments across the UAE.